Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today, I will show you how to draw a yummy ice cream cone. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. If you don't have a ruler like mine, that's fine. You can use any small round object you have at hand, as long as it is not dangerous and you have a trusted adult nearby. Draw a small circle in the middle of the page. That will be our first ice cream scoop. Next, draw another scoop coming out of the right side of the first scoop. And a third ice cream scoop on top of the two. Next, draw a triangle shape underneath the scoops and upside down. This will be the cone to the ice cream. Time to add some toppings to our ice cream by drawing a giggly line along your scoops. You guys can choose to add any other topping you like. And some chocolate chips maybe. Great! Time to color in. I am choosing chocolate topping, but you guys can choose any topping you like. Strawberry pink will be my first flavor. What's your favorite ice cream flavors, guys? Next scoop will be raspberry pink. And some colorful toppings. For my third scoop, I choose chocolate chip mint. What do you guys choose? Let's add a cherry on top of our ice cream. And a crunchy straw to top it off. Let's use yellow for the cone. Take your time with it. When you're ready, grab a ruler and draw oblique lines across the cone using a brown marker. Just like this. Now move your ruler and do the same towards the opposite side. This way the lines will cross, creating diamond shapes. Make your ice cream stand out by outlining the cone with a black marker. And do the same for the scoops. And that's it! We have now drawn our yummy ice cream cone. Well done, everyone! And remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Ava. Your butterfly looks great. I love the colors you chose and the use of all those lovely shapes to decorate it. Well done, Ava! If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!